Eathu, established in 2004, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of pipe fittings. We specialize in full-range kinds of pipeline products and flanges. Our product covers material of cast iron, malleable iron, ductile iron, carbon steel, stainless steel, brass, etc. Besides, according to our clients' special demand, we also develop new products to meet market demand. As one of a leading exporter specialized in steel valves, fittings, and flanges, Eathu has been serving more than 35 countries and regions for over 20 years. In addition to manufacturing its own flanges, Eathu also established partnership with factories so as to provide customers with a full range of products and one-stop sourcing services. For the sake of meeting strict quality requirements and industry standards, all of our cooperation factories are certified to the ISO 9001 certificate, and all products are carefully tested before shipment. Since trust originates from quality, we have passed not only the CE certification for our valves and flanges products, but also the ISO 9001 certificate. In terms of piping fittings, we offer excellent service and consistent quality products. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.